how to add a border in Lightroom Mobile. Hello, welcome once again everyone. In today's tutorial, you will learn how you can add a border in Lightroom Mobile. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to go about it. First of all, select the picture that you would like to add a border to. Once you've selected it, go ahead to make all of your necessary edits. If you'd like to crop it, if you'd like to increase the brightness, all the things needed. Then once you're sure that this picture is good to go, move to the top right corner. You'll see a number of icons. Select the share icon, and at the bottom part of the screen you'll see other options like save, copy, share, export, send to Instagram, etc. To select export as and choose JPEG. Preferably you can use any other format, but JPG preferably. Just scroll down until you can see include border. All right, yours might be turned off this way, but if your toggle is turned off, click on it, turn it on, scroll down, select customize, and then select the border you would like to use. Then move to the top left corner, click on the arrow icon, then move to the top right corner, click on the tick icon. Just like that, your picture would be exported with the border. And to locate it, go back to your Lightroom page, move to the bottom left corner, select gallery and reload, and this is it with the border. Very simple. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.